wabarakatuh. So my name is Abdul Hanan bin Mahadi from class EC 1104A. So for this class, I have been assigned to build a model of bridge. So this is my bridge. As you can see, this is a truss system. So I'm using the truss system to build the bridge. So I hope my bridge can hold the largest value of maximum load, so that its lightness ratio can produce a bigger value, because the bigger the lightness ratio, the more durable the bridge. So if you want to know how I make this bridge and how much the maximum load it can hold, so let's see after this. Before that, we are going to see the apparatus I need, and there is a time lapse I made to build this. So let's check it out.
So right now we are going to test my bridge on how much maximum load it can hold. So for the first attempt, I would put this 1.5 kilogram dumbbell on the bridge, another 1.5, and another 1.5. Next, this is 2 kilogram dumbbell. It doesn't show any what we call it, efficiency maybe. So that's all.
Welcome back. So just now we have seen this bridge just only can hold up until 10 kilogram of load. So basically this bridge is not that too strong, because I've seen another friends of me making this bridge about it can hold about 30 to 50 kilogram of load, but it's okay. So right now we are going to calculate the lightness ratio of this bridge. So before I forget, actually this bridge is weight about 0.25 kilogram. So by calculating the lightness ratio, which is its formula is about weight of load divided by weight of model bridge. So after calculating, my bridge have the lightness ratio of 80, and to tell you about 80 is not quite a big value of lightness ratio, because my friend got his bridge about 150 and above lightness ratio. Yeah, it's sad to tell you that maybe there's another factor that make our lightness ratio is different, because maybe my thickness of the bridge is just too thin, or maybe you can use another system of to make this bridge with. Maybe it depends on how you design it, how you really calculate about the angle, how you design it to make sure the